Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's Tasty Tuesday recipe is sugar-free creamy lemon bars. I found this originally on the Splenda website and I have tweaked it a bit, but this is very tasty. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, for the crust you need 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of Splenda, a pinch of salt, and 6 tablespoons of cold butter cubed. And what I'm going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to spray this 8x8 pan with a non-stick spray. I like butter flavored. Then I'm going to combine the flour, Splenda, and salt with a mixer. And I'm going to add the butter and continuously mix until it resembles coarse meal. Once it does, I'm going to press it into the pan and I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes or until it's lightly browned. Okay, there's the flour. And 2 tablespoons of the Splenda. And salt. Now I'm going to cube up the butter and start adding that a little bit at a time. I'll be honest with you, this would be a whole lot easier if I had a food processor, but I don't. So it's taken me probably twice as long to do this, but I've finally got it to where it looks like the course meal. And I'm going to press it in the sprayed pan, and this is going to bake at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, what you need is, for the filling, 4 large eggs, a half a cup of half and half, 1 1/4 cups of Splenda, a 1/3 cup of flour, a half cup of fresh lemon juice, and a tablespoon of lemon zest. And then you'll be using the powdered sugar as a finishing. Okay, I'm going to whisk in a bowl the eggs in half and half, and then gradually combine the Splenda and flour, and then the lemon juice and zest. Okay, I've got the eggs in a bowl and I'm going to whisk them up. And then I'm going to add the half and half. Now I'm going to whisk in the Splenda and do about half at a time. And I'll put the flour in. And I'm going to mix this until it's smooth. And I'm going to add the lemon juice. And this was the juice from about 3 lemons. And the zest from the 3 lemons. And I'm going to mix this very well. And then once it's completely mixed and nice and smooth, I'm going to pour it on the hot crust. And it's going to bake for 15 minutes until the center is set and the edges are lightly browned. Okay, I let this go for 20 minutes because the center wasn't completely done. But as you can see, it is, the toothpick came out clean. So this has got to sit on a wire rack, which I have right here. And it's going to sit on there until it's completely cool before I can cut it. Okay, I covered the top of it with powdered sugar before I cut it. And there's one of the pieces. Whoops. Oh, that is very good. I think maybe next time I do this, I'll do 3/4 of a cup of lemon because it is a little potent, but it is really good. And it's sugar-free. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.